Part 2. Now it's time to build the form's pages, fields, and sections. Choose the form's pages. Here you can change the title of the page to a more descriptive name. Then click on Fields. Fields is where you will enter the information. We do this in sections. Type a name for each one of the fields. Be sure to choose the type of field for the information. Options include a text area, a drop-down list, a checkbox, radio buttons, and more. Continue to add fields for the information you want to collect from the user. Each time you add a field, you can see it populate within the section. To rearrange the fields, simply change the numbers in the sort order. If you would like to make the field required, be sure to check the box. You can also duplicate the fields by clicking Clone. Once you have all the fields and sections you'd like to have, save, and we'll move on to the next step.